Alright guys, today I'm going to tell y'all a little bit about this amazing product here. It is called the KeyClick, and right here is what comes in the basic KeyClick kit. Now, it comes with the USB-C port, as well as a wristlet here, and then of course you've got your KeyClick. Now, two upgrades you can add to this is the KeyClick holder as well as the remote. And this holder is going to hold the remote, the KeyClick, and then it's also going to hold your wire right through this little port here, and then this little hole here is so that you can hang it on the wall if you'd like to use it that way. Alright, so let's go through a couple of the uses of this KeyClick. So on the sides here we have what each button does. So this blue button is for video, the green button is for microphone, and then this yellow button is to bring that zoom window forward onto your computer, and this red button here is our panic button as well as our end call button. And then here we have our screen. Now, what is this little button down here? This little button is not a button, and it is in fact a sensor for that remote that you can upgrade to. And then up here, we've got the hole for that wristlet, as well as that port for the USB-C. Now let's go ahead and give you a little demonstration of how this KeyClick really works. All right, so back here on the background, we see the zoom window. As you can see on the screen here, it is saying zoom on Windows. That is saying what meeting format we're using as well as what type of computer we're using. So you can switch between Windows and Mac. You can switch between Zoom, Meetings, Team, and Excel. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, this yellow button here stays on the entire time. This red button is going to be flashing. Now this red button I told you could use as a panic button. Now what does that mean? Well, as we know, this is our green microphone button. As you can see at this bottom left hand corner, that turned our microphone on. And then this blue button is for our video, and I don't have the camera set up, so this is what we're going to see when the video is on. Alright, so I am just going to say hypothetically we have a big sneeze coming in, or someone barges in the room trying to say something. We're just going to panic that button. And there you go, you have your microphone and your video camera turned off. Now, let's say you want to switch up these settings a little bit and have these on while your camera and your microphone are off. We're going to hold this button down for a second, wait till it lights up, and there you go. Now, when you press it, your video is on when the light is off. And you can do the same thing for this green button here. And that is how you use the KeyClick. Let's go ahead and end this meeting by holding this button down once. And then on here, you're going to either click this End Meeting for All button, or you're going to click the Enter button. And there you have it. That is how you use the KeyClick kit. Thanks, guys.